Christmas carols are a big part of the holiday season. Have you ever wondered why we sing them? Let's explore the fun history and traditions of Christmas carols. Christmas carols are festive songs that celebrate the joy of Christmas. They've been sung for centuries, bringing people together to share the spirit of the season. Carols actually began as songs for all seasons. In the Middle Ages, people sang carols to celebrate events like harvests and weddings. Over time, they became more connected to Christmas. The first Christmas carols were sung in churches during the 1400s. They were simple hymns that told the story of Jesus' birth. This made them a big part of Christmas celebrations. Did you know? The tradition of caroling door to door started as a way to spread joy in neighborhoods. Carolers often brought cheer to those who couldn't join holiday gatherings. Some of the most famous carols, like Silent Night and Deck the Halls, are loved all over the world. Each carol has its own special story and meaning. Today, carols are sung to spread happiness and celebrate the true meaning of Christmas. They remind us of love, togetherness, and joy during the holiday season. So, the next time you sing a Christmas carol, remember its long and joyful history. Keep spreading the cheer and have a wonderful Christmas.